Hey y'all, if you like my YouTube and Rumble channel, please subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. Like this video if you like it, share it with your friends. Leave feedback and comments. I do greatly appreciate all the feedback that you can give me, and I do respond and I do take it to heart. Okay, here we go. Old school ballet song. This unboxing, well, you'll see. It is going to be quite the surprise. You ready for this? It is a thistle. Wow. Holy shit. That's not what I was expecting. This is amazing. This is a Mantis Thistle. I don't know anything about it. Wow. I'm just speechless. Okay, there'll be more about this one, not this week, next week. I'll get the skinny on it and share it with you all. But for now, old school ballet song.